Welcome to 1 Minute Meditations. Today we will focus on a body scan to promote mindfulness and awareness of our physical sensations. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes softly. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any sensations, perhaps warmth or tension. Gently move your focus down to your forehead, your cheeks, and your jaw. Observe any tightness or relaxation. Continue down to your neck and shoulders. Feel their weight and any areas of discomfort. Now scan through your chest, your abdomen, and your back. Acknowledge each feeling without judgment. As you move to your arms and hands, notice their sensations, tingling, warmth, or coolness. Now bring your attention to your legs and feet. Observe how they connect to the ground. Slowly begin to return your awareness to the room. As you open your eyes, carry this mindfulness with you, reminding yourself, I am present and I am aware.